These are some phrases to talk about sports in Nigerian Pidgin English. Most Nigerians are crazy about football, or you might call it soccer like Americans. Which team you they support? Wetin be the scores? Who they win? Who win? You miss better game. We win by 4-0. Na close game. E enter overtime. Dem win by penalty. Dem draw. We lost. We for win. Dem deserve to win. Dem play better pass us. Dem rob us. Dem deserve to lose. Dem be serious rivals. You dey play any sport? Maybe we fit play sometime. These are some phrases to talk about sports in Nigerian Pidgin English. Should you know any more phrases, please tell us so we can add them up. Thank you and have a wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye for now.